Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from theseasoflife.com, and right now I am currently in Brooklyn at Airbnb. Everyone is still asleep. Everyone meaning my son and wifey. I was up early editing this video that I recorded for today's episode, but the audio was all out of whack. It was just hard to hear, hard to listen to. So I completely had to scrap the whole entire video. I wish that there was some sort of mechanism on this camera to let me know exactly, the audio levels or whatnot, but currently there isn't any. So I'm just hoping that this video that I'm recording right now is, useful so that I can quickly upload this video to make this daily deadline, right? Tomorrow's episode is going to be a lot better. Just wanted to give you this quick little update. Technical difficulties, whatnot, but I'll give you a quick little tour of this bathroom right here. It's pretty cool. So that I don't completely have this episode be totally out of whack. This is a quick little Thanksgiving thank you because today is Thanksgiving, and that was what the video was supposed to be about. It was supposed to be about a quick little message to help boost and motivate people out there. So I basically gave 3 things that you could do to, help you along your journey. And the first one is take action every single day. There's always that one thing that you can do every single day, and you can that will move you closer to the outcome that you truly desire, right? So do that first thing, that one thing that you have to do every single day. My thing that I do every single day is these vlogs, right? Is documenting the process and the journey, and coming up with all these, stumbling upon all these difficulties and whatnot along the way, like audio difficulties, right? And number 2 was take action on so that was number 1. Number 2 is surround yourself with like-minded individuals, like mentors, friends, who are helping you along and encouraging your development along your journey, right? Because the journey is a long, sometimes painful, and also lonely road, right? So the more people that you have surrounding you that are equally or just above you that you aspire to be, the more you'll be able to stick to the path and stick to the journey. And 3, forgot what 3 was, but what was 3? Oh, 3 was just the best is yet to come, right? No matter where you are in your journey, even if you hit your goals, right? Even if you hit your milestones, just know that the best is always yet to come. All right. Just because you hit the home run on the first swing doesn't mean that that's the only home run that you're going to hit. And just because you struck out on your first 3 attempts doesn't mean that, there's not a home run on your next at bat. So always be persistent, and the best is yet to come. Anyways, let me go looking a little scruffy. I literally just roll out of bed. But let me go and wake this kid up and upload this video. All right, more to come. I'll be documenting this full day, and then we'll be right back to regularly scheduled programming tomorrow. Peace.